I've got mail.
All right. This is the first segment of Mail Thing Thursday. It is Thursday, and it's been flooding here, okay? And water runs on my porch. And I happen to have a package that came in today, and as you can see, it's just kind of soaking wet. So I'm hoping that there's nothing in here that's just going to die if it got a little wet. It's from Ripcord, who we just talked to last night. How about that? I was just talking to him, and he had told me he was going to send me a care package since I'd never got to try his filament and some other things. So, let's see what we got here. I'm going to cut this open. That's so stupid. I cannot believe the mail people. Just cannot believe it. Well, alright. So, we have some blue painter's tape, which I'm going to have to let sit and dry out because... yeah, that's a mess. Now, we have a set of, let me see, these look different. Are these different? No. It's the same ones. I have another set of tip cleaners. That looks like a giveaway. Then, he sent me 1, 2, 3 rolls of Ripcord filament. Now, these, I don't know, let me see what size these are. Doesn't say. Doesn't say how many grams there are of these. These are little rolls, and this is a little bit bigger roll. So it is PLA, and this one is PLA, green PLA, and then I have this blue PLA, and that's it. So luckily, the only thing that would even absorb water was the tape, and it's a little damp. It's not wet, but it's a little damp. So I'm gonna let it dry out. But I have 3 rolls of Ripcord filament, which I've never tried, which is awesome. He said he was gonna send me a sample, and there it is. Thank you, Pooch. I do appreciate it, and we'll see y'all in just a second. Well, that was Mail Thing, so it was short, but that's cool. That's cool. Thank you again, Kuntry Klub. Enjoyed it, and since that was like a week ago, the tape has dried out. By the way, I'd like to thank Ripcord again, Pooch. Thanks for the package, man. I'm definitely going to be using the filaments here shortly. I have some wavy Wednesdays and some stuff like that I need to do. So. Thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next Mail Thing Thursday. Yeah, that's what we'll do. Later, guys.